Throughout the course of its existence, the planet Earth has been home to an innumerable number of animal species. Although many of these species have become extinct, there are still those that continue to have a place in our imaginations. Once upon a time, these extinct animals were the most powerful presence on the world, causing fear among other living things and establishing mastery over their particular ecosystems. The legacy that these animals have left on our Earth is one that will endure for generations to come, from enormous primordial predators to mammoth armored beasts. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 of the most dangerous extinct animals to have ever roamed the Earth. From prehistoric sharks to massive dinosaurs, these animals were true forces to be reckoned with. Here is the list of the top 10 most dangerous extinct animals that once dominated the Earth. So let's dive in. Number 10. Megalodon. Megalodon, sometimes known as Meg, was a mammoth shark that lived in prehistoric times and was considered to be the most dangerous predator that ever existed on Earth. The Meg was one of the largest monsters that ever roamed the ocean, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet and weighing more than 50 tons. The Megalodon was the most dangerous predator in the oceans during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs. It hunted and killed a wide variety of marine animals, including whales, dolphins, and seals, among other marine animals. Megalodon, a gigantic shark that lived in prehistoric times, became extinct more than 3.6 million years ago. Number 9. Tyrannosaurus rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex, more commonly referred to as the T-Rex, was a carnivorous dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period. It was one of the largest and most dangerous dinosaurs that had lived. This enormous predator was reported to have weighed up to 6.8 metric tons and measured up to 12 meters in length. Its length was also considered to be the same. In spite of its enormous size, the Tyrannosaurus rex proved to be incredibly quick on its feet, and the force of its bite was powerful enough to break bones. Because of its size, speed, and strength, the Tyrannosaurus rex was considered to be the prime predator. Over 65 million years ago, the enormous dinosaur became extinct altogether. Number 8. Smilodon. During the Pleistocene period, the Smilodon, which was also referred to as the saber-toothed tiger, was a big predatory cat that roamed both North and South America. During the Pleistocene period, the Smilodon was a huge predatory cat that may be found roaming the continents of North and South America. It was distinguished by a robust jaw and a set of long canine teeth, both of which were utilized for the purpose of bringing down enormous prey such as horses, bison, and even mammoths. It is one of the most well-known mammals that has become extinct. The Smilodon was not related to tigers or modern cats, despite the fact that it was very similar to both of them. During its time period, the Smilodon was considered to be one of the most dangerous predators due to its massive size and aggressive hunting behavior. A little over 10,000 years ago, the beast became extinct. Predatory animals that were prevalent during the era. A little over 10,000 years ago, the beast became extinct. Number 7. Pterotornis. A bird of prey that could reach a wingspan of up to 20 feet, the Pterotornis was a massive creature. Found in the Americas during the Pleistocene epoch, this gigantic bird monster was a striking sight, and with its formidable wingspan, it would have been able to hunt large mammals. The enormous bird became extinct at the end of the Pleistocene epoch, which occurred approximately 10,000 years ago on average. Number 6. Quetzalcoatlus. The Quetzalcoatlus was a massive pterosaur that existed during the late Cretaceous period of time. The advanced toothless pterosaurs belonging to the family Agdarchidae, which includes Quetzalcoatlus, have necks that were lengthened and stiffened in an unusual manner. According to some estimations, the wingspan of this pterosaur could have been as wide as 10 to 11 meters, making it one of the largest animals that ever flew. Because of this, they were able to ingest food in regions that their contemporaries were unable to access, and their huge wings allowed them to travel great distances without expelling a significant amount of energy. Number 5. Dunkleosteus. The Dunkleosteus occurred during the Devonian period and was a huge armored fish that thrived at that time. The Dunkleosteus, which was over 8 meters in length and had an extremely powerful jaw that was capable of crushing shells and bones, is said to have been the genuine first apex predator of its time. At the time, it was the largest vertebrate that existed. Over 350 million years ago, the armored apex predator became extinct. Number 4. Tecanobo. There was a gigantic snake known as the Tecanobo that lived in South America during the Paleocene epoch. It was the largest snake that has ever been found. The length of the snake could reach up to 50 feet, and it weighed more than 2,000 plus pounds. Approximately 60 million years ago, the enormous predator became extinct. Number 3. Sarcosuchus. There was a big prehistoric creature that existed approximately 112 million years ago called the Sarcosuchus. It was related to the crocodile. It was a huge reptile that measured between 10 and 11 meters in length on average, weighed up to 8 tons, and possessed fangs that were almost as sharp as razors. It was not only the size and power of the Sarcosuchus that made it a formidable species, but also the incredible adaptability that it possessed along with its size and force. It posed a threat to a great number of huge animals. Approximately 10 million years ago, the enormous reptile became extinct. Number 2. Helicoprion. Between the early Permian period and the early Triassic period, Helicoprion was a predator that existed in the distant past and had a jaw that was capable of killing. The name originates from the Greek terms helios, which means spiral, and prion, which means saw. It is thought to have had a jaw that was bent and spiral-shaped, and it was composed of several hundred teeth that could reach lengths of up to 3 meters. Number 1. Deinonychus. The Deinonychus was a large, fast-moving dinosaur with large, sharp claws on its feet. It was an impressive predator, standing at about 3.4 meters long. Its claws were likely used to capture and tear apart its prey, while its size and speed enabled it to hunt larger animals. The Deinonychus had an unusually large brain, suggesting it was highly intelligent and adaptive. This combination of features made the Deinonychus an impressive and formidable predator, giving it a key role in the ecosystem of its time. The formidable predator went extinct about 115 million years ago. The above-mentioned 10 animals were the greatest predators of their time. They were ferocious hunters, able to take down the most capable prey because of their strength, speed, and agility. These animals played a significant role in shaping the world's ecosystems. While their existence may now only be known through fossils and remnants, their impact on the environment and the evolution of other species will always be remembered. It serves as a reminder of the fragility of life on this planet and the importance of preserving the diversity of species that still exist today. So there you have it, the top 10 biggest predators ever captured. But the animal kingdom is full of incredible mysteries. Do you think there are even larger predators lurking undiscovered in the depths of the oceans or the unexplored corners of our planet? Let me know in the comments below what monstrous creatures you'd love to see captured next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wild encounters with the biggest and baddest beasts on Earth.